O Deputy Commissioner Jongka East Khasi Hills, o Bolongru, o Returning Officer na Bynta Kashalong Parliamentary Seat, o SC Sadhu ula pentim, baka Jingthep vote na Bynta ki Nongtrei Sorkar, ki balangat haka Kamram election, haka Jingthep vote haka kat kendai terik menta ubnai, kelas dang haka arho arterik, haduk ka arho santerik menta ubnai. Ki Nongtrei Sorkar ki lasha pa shakeleng ki jaka thep vote hakeleng ki jaka jongka jilla ban pentik na baka Jingthep vote kalong kabayat bet ja jenti.
Many people are actively engaged in elections, particularly drivers or police personnel or many other our officers also, who had this 24/7 responsibilities. So they would not get any time to cast even their postal ballot. So immediately after the elections, all these people, they would be relieved of their responsibilities. So we have identified 2 dates, that is 22 and 25, I guess, correct, if I remember correctly. So we have identified those 2 dates. We have informed political parties also, which is still allowed because it is before counting.
Katanan India Meteorological